First impressions are everything, and the entryway is the perfect place to start when refreshing your home for a new season. Welcome back to the channel. Today we are on part 4 of our everyday early spring home refresh series, and I'm so excited to share 5 console table styling ideas for 2026. As we've discussed throughout this series, we're moving away from the heavy layers of winter and leaning into an everyday style decor that feels light, airy, and intentional, but still cozy enough for real life. Whether you call it an entryway table, a hallway console, or sofa table, these vignettes are designed to bring that organic, fresh feeling into your space without needing a total overhaul. I'll be using some of those favorite thrifted finds and new pieces from my spring haul to show you how to layer texture, height, and greenery for a designer look on a budget. If you're enjoying this series so far, please give this video a thumbs up and make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss our next stop, where I will be showing you how to add simple Valentine's touches to your space without overdoing it. Now let's clear this space off and get into our very first styling idea. I've cleared everything off the console table to start with a completely clean slate. For most of these looks, I'm bringing back my large baskets for the bottom shelf. They serve as a great grounded base while I keep things simple and intentional on top. For the look number 1, I'm starting with 2 linen covered books. The spines match my decor perfectly, and they provide the perfect boost for my DIY thrifted lamp. Beside that, I am adding one of my DIY picture frames. And remember, you can see all my tutorial details over on my DIY channel, which is linked down below. To add some horizontal interest, I'm using a long wooden primitive tray with a trendy crystal candle. I'm also bringing in one of those China sari pots that are so popular right now, and I'm adding some ferns for a fresh pop of color. To finish this first look, I'm using a large statement vase that I thrifted and DIY'd. I'm filling it with 3 cherry blossom stems from Dollarama. They're tall, airy, and really complete the space. Moving on to look number 2, I've kept the baskets and the lamp, but on the opposite side, I'm pairing a large jug vase with a smaller one. Into the larger jug, I'm adding these gorgeous new peonies. I love the soft blush color and the immediate spring feel they bring to the entryway. To make this style more functional, I'm adding my new DIY bowl to act as a catch-all for keys or mail. I'm curious, do you prefer your entryway to be purely decorative or do you need it to be functional with a catch-all like this? Let me know in the comments how you use your console table. And also, while you're here, if you're not subscribed, make sure to hit that subscribe button and all the bell notifications so you get notified when new videos pop up. For style number 3, I removed the lamp to make room for my large lantern from HomeSense. I've had this for years and it's still a favorite in my decor. I'm balancing it with a thrifted book and a small wood look vase I DIYed just this week. Inside, I'm adding those beautiful pink Dollarama flowers from last year. To bring some height and elegance to the other side, I'm adding 2 large candlestick holders with ribbed candles. The candlesticks are from HomeSense and I picked up the candles from Dollar Tree. Style number 4 is actually the look I'm keeping for now because it feels so fresh and airy. I'm bringing back the lamp and a single book. I paired this with a gold tray from HomeSense. On the tray, I've layered a concrete bowl and a wood knot. Both were thrifty finds that I gave new life to. I added a candle to the concrete bowl. And to the other end, I am adding one of my DIY vases. And for the florals, I'm using a mix of green stems from Michael's and some very similar white ones from Dollar Store. I actually don't know the name of these flowers, so if you recognize them, please leave a comment below so we can all learn. This look just feels so right for this transitional period. I also wanted to show you a quick addition that I made a couple days later, and I added these picture frames or printed art. One was the DIY and one was thrifted. And I think this has definitely completed the look and added a little bit what I felt it was missing. For our final look, I'm adding the lamp but without the book, and then adding a thrifted vase and more of those pink Dollarama stems. I'm pairing that with the woven vase from Temu to bring in some warmth and texture. I have to admit, it feels a little silly decorating for spring when there's a ton of snow on the ground outside. But I love bringing the spring feeling indoors while we wait for the real thing to show up. I originally thought about leaning a coffee table book against the lamp, but it didn't feel quite right, so I decided to stack them instead. On top, I'm adding a candle from local shop, a concrete owl from HomeSense, and a candle snuffer from Dollar Tree. This time I am decorating the bottom shelf of my console table, and I'm keeping one of the baskets but draping a soft Dollarama blanket for a cozy look. To finish, I added a thrifted vase I made to look vintage and my DIY paper mache bowl for that unique handmade touch. And this completes the 5 different ways to style a console table for spring. Each one has its own unique feel, from classic and cozy to fresh and airy. I'd love to hear from you. Which idea was your favorite? Or would you mix and match elements from each one? I always love reading your thoughts and feedbacks, and this definitely gives us more ideas to work with. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to At Home with Sonja for more seasonal styling. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.